Lagi. Dia ada lipat. Apa ini? First, you disassemble the brake caliper. Tighty, lefty loosey. Habis acar lebih je. Habis acar lebih. Dia cabut, batu petangin ni. Apa dia? Kaliper cabut 10 belakang lebih. 10 depan ni tak payah cabut lah. Macam genyar. Adalah plier yang satu, screwdriver lepis satu, dan itu saja yang kita perlukan. Okey. Dan sekali kan begini masuk, dia ada lock dia, pusing. Okey. Untuk ini. Mana tadi? Spring ni? Oh, okay. Untuk spring yang tu buat pendalang ni. Okay. Ini aku tak tahu nama. I don't know yet the name. I will explain to you the name once I know it. Okay. Kau nak buka tak? Okay. These are all the components. Okay. This is the adjuster. Okay. We adjust how much the brake is fitting and how tight the spring will be. Okay, satu spring lah. Okay. Okay. This one. Okay, this one is for the right side. This one is for the left side. Cabut. Sabau. Borak lo yang ni di pantat tu. Alamak, campak ni. So this one housing. Okay, this one is brake intake, and then this one is hub, brake shoe. Okay, this box is brake shoe, and then this small component is hardware and spring. Okay, for returning spring, we want to check the condition for this returning spring. As you can see, the spring are still strong, still hold on and not. Okay, another one, same, and this one also strong. So means that for these two,
still strong, so means that retainer spring do not need to change a new one. So right now we're going to test if this surface are smooth or rough for this shoes. So right now you can see it's kind of hard to push around. So we can see we can touch this surface. It's kind of rust, so it's need to change a new one or to resurface this as a new.
Right now we are going to get reading for the brake shoe. So the first reading is 2.33 mm. So that's the first reading. Now for the second reading, 2.146 mm. Now for the last reading,
okay, for the left side we're going to measure this. Okay, for the first measure reading is 2.81 millimeter. The second reading is 2.38 millimeter. Okay, the last one reading is 2.27 millimeter. Okay. So today we're going to measure between this lining and the shoe brake. So for the first reading is 4.50 millimeter. For the second reading we get 4.30 millimeter, and for the last reading we get 4.54 millimeter. Okay, for the right side we're going to measure. For the first reading we got 4.38 millimeters. For the second reading we get 4.15 millimeters, and for the third reading we got 4.19 millimeters. That's all.
Okay, now we are going to assembly the brake drum system. Firstly, we put all the lock before we put the retainer spring. There's one lock for the right side, for the left side. Put the spring in. Twist the lock. Push the spring down and then twist. Okay. See here? There's a lock here. Sekejap. Now we can put the retainer spring. Okay. We short one is for the left side, and the longest one is for the right side. Betul tak? Pegang balik. Hasko punya ketat tu. Jadi buat pusing. Ini bagi dia tolak.
Itu tak ada KHAIRIL lepas badan ni. Dia KHAIRIL keluar lah. Buat. Nak buat. Memang kalau tak ada. Kira aku punya
melintang tau. Dah screw je.
Kau sedang kau. Wih.
Screw lagi. Okay, thumbs up. For discussion, the first question is what is the condition of the brake and should we replace the brake shoe? Well, the way we determine the brake shoe condition is we measure it. The first measurement we get for the right side is 2.3 mm and the second reading is 2.16 mm. For the left side, we get 2.81 mm and the second reading is 2.38 mm. Should we replace the brake shoe? Yes, we should replace the brake shoe since the standard value for the brake shoe is 4.4 mm. The second question is explain our result, the brake drum inside the meter. Well, the measurement we get is 167.84 mm. It is suggested that the brake is within the tolerable range for effective braking performance, assuming the value aligns with the design specification. It also indicates that brake drum has not experienced excessive wear beyond its design tolerance. The brake shoe should still be able to properly engage with the brake drum, ensuring its reliability and efficient braking performance. For the next question is, if we found a deep crack in the brake drum, can we fix it? And explain our answer. Well, from our understanding, a brake drum generally cannot be repaired. Well, it should be replaced. Well, the first reason is the structural integrity. Once there is a crack, it will compromise the structural integrity of the brake drum. Since the brake drum will always have a high level of stress from heat and friction during operation, and a crack will significantly weaken the material. Secondly is about safety. The primary function of the brake drum is to ensure safe when stopping the vehicle. A compromised drum with a deep crack may lead to brake failure, especially when it is under heavy braking, and it could be dangerous for both driver and other users on the road. For the last question is, what is the advantages of brake drum compared to brake disc? Firstly, brake drum is more cost effective compared to brake disc. It has a lower initial cost and also cheaper to maintain. And secondly, they have a better performance in certain applications. For example, brake drum has a better application on using off-road. Since they are not exposed to dirt and sand, they have a better grip compared to brake disc. Brake disc will always be exposed to dirt, so once they are clamping together, they could cause a major issue such as the brake jam. And lastly, they have a very compact design. They have a space efficiency, which brake drum are small and can offer more space for parking brake mechanism.
Hi, I am Ivy and I will present our conclusion for this lab. So in this experiment, we investigate the performance and mechanics of brake drums under various conditions. The data collected confirm that brake drums are essential component in vehicle braking system. In conclusion, brake drums are a vital part of vehicle safety and their performance is heavily influenced by factors such as material composition, temperature and maintenance. This experiment has provided valuable insight into the factors that affect brake efficiency and has contributed to a better understanding of the complex dynamic of braking system.